Hey family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. I'm working out here in the garden today. And I was getting ready to put my plants back. I had to remove some. Some were looking skimpy, some were looking, not too well. So I was, assessing that. And then I remembered today is October 20th, and it's the check-in for the Collards and Cabbage challenge. The Collards and Cabbage, ow, let me sit down here. I'm tired, y'all. Let me say it again. The Collards and Cabbage 2025 challenge. This is the second check-in, October 20th. This challenge is hosted by Tanya, the New Orleans gardener, and Back to Our Roots Homestead. And I will have a link to their channels in the in my description box. I'm sorry. Y'all hear all that noise back there? And I've been out here for a while, so I'm getting tired. Okay, so here is my collard green plant. Isn't she growing up? And of course, I could use a bigger pot, but this is, I'm going with this. I'm just going with it. And I'll just add more soil as she grows. If I can get a bigger pot and get some more soil, then, because I'm growing a lot of things, I'll do that before the next check-in. But this is where we stand right now. And here is my cabbage. Isn't she beautiful? All these leaves. Now you can, she's forming a little rosette in there. You can eat these leaves. You know, if they start getting really big leaves, those leaves are kind of like for roses when they have like those guard petals. These leaves are edible, but they are to protect the head as it grows. So you don't need all the extra foliage. So they're guard petals, guard leaves. And on some of my cabbage plants, as the months and the weeks go by, I go on and I harvest those, put them in my soup, my famous cabbage and chickpea soup, and then they'll keep growing. So, because it takes a while for that cabbage to get a head on it. So, cabbage. It's my entry for cabbage 2025. Something's been nibbling on that one. And see, that little stalk's getting thick. See the stalk? Same thing here. And this one's getting tall. My collard green. Grew this one from seed. So you see how fast you can grow them from seed, and when you grow them in the right time of year, in the right conditions, they'll explode. So this was from seed, y'all. This one was such a small little seedling, and a lot of times when I grow stuff from my seedlings and then I get a start, my seedlings will outperform that start. But I like getting starter plants too. Okay, so here we go. Okay, guys, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in. And let me get all this dirt. And I want to thank Tanya, Miss Linda of the New Orleans Gardener, and Back to Our Roots Homestead for hosting this challenge. And we will be back around Thanksgiving. I think another 30 days. We'll see where we stand, all right? All right, so I'm doing this for fun because I'm growing collards and cabbages anyway this time of year. So and when I saw that she was hosting this, I was like, I want to join this because I'm busy out there in the garden, in the gardens in October, November, September, October, and November. All right, guys, thanks. See you in my next video. Bye. It's my workout for the day.